Victoria?
This is a full Victoria that I like because it has this blue spray button and the orange color and the wheels. And also the tag class is B625. That is all. This is the ship there because it's the orange color. Nice tires. This one, like the first one we did with the blue thing. I like it because it also has the 6 on the dice right there. That's all. Hold on, no, that's not. I gotta show you that. I forgot. And it has 0427 on the back. And that's all. That is all. The Dodge Charger, and I like it because it has that swing thing, and the engine, like, well, I used to have a toy Dodge, and they had that engine, and because it has the antenna and the walking boot on it, the blue detail, and the blue paint job, and the tires, and don't get the number, which is PBB minus 5490. That's all. Door 4. And I like because it has the M&Ms in there. You can see that. Because it has Vest of the Cat and 3 birds. And Vest of the Cat also driving. I wish they that one. The Vest of the Cat is driving. Look at that Tweety bird. And the number is BR7474. That's a pattern. 7474 is a pattern. That is all. Bye bye. I'm being this orange. Beautiful. There's some fuzzy dice in it.
Yeah, that's cool, huh?
Very cool. Here's a blue one. This is my favorite. The blue one.
The blue Dodge, huh?
The blue Dodge. Like my favorite. You don't know. I've never seen it. That's what this one right here is Uncle Jeremy's.
Yeah.
I'm talking on the camera.
I'm sorry.
Well, I told them which car is which. And this one's one of Dada's cars. Ours from the garage. Back out. Quite good. Two more cars that is ours. That's this. And they're right after this one. I'm going to keep videoing. Dada, I'm going to video those two.
Yeah, go ahead.
And this one's also one of Dada's. For the last one. This one is the last one. You can see took the roof on off of this one. And I don't know. Hey. And this one has nice tires. I'm gonna build these cool tires. Very cool. Then we're gonna test them. I wish American flag a little bit. Oh, that's big. Go build that green car. Go build that green car. Go build this green car. Yeah, There's a cool car here.
Hello.